Hello, children. Today we will have a short tour of villages in Delhi. Delhi is a city, and you might wonder how come villages in Delhi? Yes, there have been villages in Delhi for thousands of years. It may be possible that you also live in one of the villages of Delhi. In every village of Delhi, you will find at least one pond, a well, or a bawdi. In olden times, people got water from these sources, though nowadays people do not use them, hence, they have dried up. But villagers do take care of ponds as they not only provide water to people but also give water to earth through rainwater harvesting. Also, we generally find places of worship and fairs around these ponds. We all love to visit these fairs and enjoy a lot. In the villages of Delhi, the streets and paths are narrow, some even made of bricks and cement. The big markets are generally far away from the village, though shops of daily commodities and needs are found there itself nearby. Some of the amazing things you see in these villages are the fireplace made of clay and bricks, where cow dung, coal, and wood is burnt to cook the food. The broken pots used and changed into earthen stoves. The dry dung is filled in it and burned. The grass cutting machine used for cutting the grass for cows and buffaloes. The people in villages live together and cooperate. Their way of talking is very sweet. You will understand them easily, but it may be possible that some words are new for you. For example, the Thatni, which means friends. The green, the difference in the conversation is that there are many variants in Hindi language. That is why there are different dialects in Hindi. The green forest cover in villages of Delhi provide habitat to nilgai, deer, leopard, and hyena. There are many villages in Delhi which have completely changed. Old houses in these villages have been pulled down for new buildings. Vast cultivated land replaced by huge malls and modern markets. But still, many have not changed and they remain to be the heart of India.
Students, let us now check our knowledge with these worksheets.